Blackman is here to start our trading day with the trader rundown. So hello to you.
Hello, Angie. Bit of a pullback yesterday, but I like what happened last week. We had a lot of positives. We had go down dramatically. We had yields continue to decline. That was a concern, obviously, in February. We had the dollar not rise. And so now we're going to focus on April, whereas we're looking at earnings, and that's going to drive the market.
That definitely will drive the market. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ as well, because this has been a sore spot in the overall trend of the market.
No, it depends on how you look at it.
Okay.
Now, it was only 3 weeks ago today that it made all-time forever highs. So, yes, there's been a pullback, but this has happened before. We're up 150% over the last 5 years. So I'm not ready to say it's over in the NASDAQ.
But the market overall is down for the year, correct?
The market's off a bit, and we actually ended our streaks of positive quarters. The S&P ended its streak, 9 consecutive streaks of positive quarters. So, you know, that was expected at some time, but the NASDAQ's still positive year to date.
Anything can happen. Let's take a look at some trades here. You're watching the energy sector.
I think this could be the catalyst here. We've got crude oil hanging up near its highs. Last week, 3 days in a row, it got within pennies of making three-year highs. Now, it's actually down. If you look at XLE, the energy ETF, it's down 8% year to date, and it's down 15% off its January high. So it's a value play here. Look for crude to make one more attack on the highs. And again, I've talked about the dollar not going up. That can be very much a positive. I'm looking at a January option, in the money option.
On XLE.
XLE, been trading between 65 and 70 for the past 2 months. So that target's 75, which is still below those January lows. The option I'm looking at is a 60 call for January, going for about $900. And if it gets to 75, that option will gain about 70%.
You're giving yourself a long time horizon
More
here.
time than you need. A lot can happen, especially in the next 300 days, which, according to my math, is 10 months.
But that tells me gas prices will still be high.
Well, that's not a bad thing if you're in a XLE.
Oh, so you're making money.
Exactly.
Thanks so much for coming on the show, possibly making money.
Yes.